Hello students, this is your teacher John Brazil. Welcome back into our engineering lessons. So what we have today is a lab session. This is actually going to be in your canvas so you can have a look at it. We're going to be doing an inverting and a non-inverting op-amp circuit. What you will need for this session is an oscilloscope, a function generator, the cables that you need, the probes, and also a circuit board, breadboard. Okay, you're also going to need a list. You're going to need a 741 IC, a resistor of 1K, a 10K resistor, a multimeter to check your values of resistance and connectivity, an oscilloscope, a DC source set to 6 volts, and connectors. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is learn how to use our equipment. Now, I already have here a waveform where the blue one is going to be the input, which is the input of the wave function, which is set at 1 kilohertz, and we're going to vary from 2 volts to 5 volts. And what we will see is as you vary, you get a different output, and this is the whole objective of the lesson. Now, the function generator is what's reading the output from both the signal, which is connected directly to it, which gives us the second line, which is the blue, and also the output from the op-amp operation, from the 741 IC. Now, you will have a sheet. If you could just show up here, this is the 741 schematic. The students will get a look at this and we'll print them off for you. And you're going to build this circuit by analyzing each output. So the 741 has 8 ports, and in each port you have, for port number 1 is no, offset no, you have number 2, which is the inverting input, and number 3 is the non-inverting input. So what you will do is you're going to connect, for when it's non-inverting, you're going to connect your plus to number 2 and the negative of the signal to number 3. You also need to feed the IC with 6 volts for it to function, and you're going to get that from here, and it's going to be connected positive to number 7 and negative to number 4. And I'll provide in the description the link for this schematic diagram so that you can better understand it. So this is going to be the next lesson that we're going to be doing, so have a look through this, get a close idea. We're going to be showing you how to set up every single that unit within the function generator, when you're going to have varying your frequency and also varying your voltage. We're also going to be showing you how to use your oscilloscope, auto set, how to get the wave function, and how to change the units so that you can read your voltages and frequencies. Okay, that's everything for today's lesson. Don't forget, subscribe and like.